To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. Then, navigate to the Account Center. In the Account Settings section, select Password and Security. In the Login and Recovery section, you will find the new Passkey update. Tap on it to proceed. Review how it works, then tap Create Passkey. For security purposes, enter your account password. Then tap Continue. On the next screen, tap Continue. Confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, Fingerprint, or PIN. Your passkey will then be created. From now on, you can use this passkey to log in, just like unlocking your device with your fingerprint. This adds a more secure and convenient way to log in without using a traditional password. So that's how you can use Passkey on Facebook for secure login.